County, Carnes County, East Central Atascosa County, Southwestern Wilson County, until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 13 miles southwest of Hope, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kennedy, Carr City, Hope, Yorktown, Kosciuszko, Rumie, Fall City, Nordheim, Sestanawa, Coy City, Cotton Patch, Greenow, New Davie, Paulville, Choate, Fashing, Hobson, Eclito, Helena, and Deweyville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Your weather synopsis for South Central Texas.
Okay.